What's up guys, welcome to this new video. It's Cappuccino Garage, and right now we're gonna go work on the Volkswagen Beetle. I'll get back with you guys in a bit. Today I went and bought some sanding paper, this little block, so I can start the process of removing paint on the Beetle. I'm not gonna remove the whole paint, I'm just gonna remove the spots where I need to refill. I'm gonna use this Bondo. Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna sand this down with 80 grit. There's a dent right there. There's something right there, and I'm gonna see what I can do. I could probably pop this out on the other side, but first I wanna sand this one down, see what I can do, because it looks like there was Bondo work right here. Definitely looks like there's Bondo work right here, so let's get sanding real quick. I'm gonna remove until this is off, where it's cracked. So yeah, you can feel that dent right there. That's where it's definitely gonna get fixed. Here's this other part right here. Either way, I'm gonna put some Bondo on there too, so remove right here as well. So right here I've sanded. You can definitely tell where the dent's at. I could go further right here, but I'm not going to, because that's gonna give me a sign where everything's at. Once I get back to it, bondoing and everything, that's my mark. So now that I got the other spots removed, now I'm gonna start working right here on the fender. So I'll work with that right now. Let's move on. Alright guys, sorry about that, but my camera's about to die, so that's it for this video, and I'm gonna keep continuing on this. I'll give you guys a quick update once I get my camera recharged, and that'll be for the next video. So peace and thanks for watching.